Closing. Naghihintay kami dito. Masyado kaming maagang dumating. Busy area to eh. Yung restaurant na pupunta namin, dun lang banda. Nod muna tayo ng TV. Mga tao sa labas.
Yung anak mo, dito tayo kumain.
Okay.
Matawiran dito.
Hi, Kulele.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
Here, I got you something small.
Oh. Living the van life. Wow, so nice. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Happy Father's Day.
Siya manglilibre ngayon.
Yes.
Si Kulili. Pore, mag-antay ka at baka ikay masaktan. Let's go.
Wow, nice dress.
Panchon? Yun ba yun? Yeah? Guys, panchon.
You guys are here early.
I'm afraid there's no parking. See?
Saan yung gusto? Sa loob? Dito?
I won't go.
I think much better outside. What do you think?
It is nice outside.
Yeah.
We can ask them. I think they're gonna give us the option. Yeah, maybe over there.
Kukunin ko na.
It is fresh.
Kukunin ko na. Wala. Parang gusto kong dito kumain sa labas. Yeah. What? Ingatan mo yan, baka malaglag.
That's a mic?
Yeah.
Magnetic? Oh,
Magnetic.
that's so cool.
Yeah, dyan lang niya inuubos ang pera niya.
Upgrade.
Sa kanyang mga...
Upgrade.
That's very cool. I want one.
Walang magawa eh. Sa'yo na yan.
Hindi naman niya magagamit. Wala siyang ano.
No, may
National
GoPro
one.
yan. Binigyan ko yan ng GoPro eh.
Ha?
Oh yeah, he gave me a GoPro. Maybe.
Yeah, we'll stay on the
Come on
pad.
there.
4 people outside.
Perfect. Thank you.
4 people.
Dito kami kakain. Sa labas. Mas
Mas presko.
presko. Tsaka magandang ambience.
Tapika. This one. Serpenter. You wanna try it? Comes with everything. Seafood and meat.
Yeah, that looks good.
But it's almost
masarap
2
kumain
hours
dito
kasi
sa
naghintay
tabi ng
kami dun
kalye.
sa may race
Guys,
ng boat dun sa kanal.
Tabi ng kalye.
Hindi ko alam na ganun pala mga boat may parang karden, mga turbo.
Ito talaga ang selebrasyon ng Father's Day.
Like karera.
Libre ng anak. Yan ang anak.
Yeah, you're taking too much advantage.
Eh yung kahapon, libre ng asawa.
Wow, so lucky this week.
Yung unang araw, libre ko.
Sabi ko sa kanya nung ano,
So we each take
Ako ang gumastos ng unang araw eh.
Oh.
Tapos,
When you went to
Sandaan lang eh.
Chinatown?
Chinatown.
hindi pa po, 150 ngayon ay isang dalang bayad niya.
Tapos, nung pumunta kami sa Moscow, libre niya. Ngayon naman, libre mo.
Okay.
Bulsa mo ito.
Oh my God.
Maganda pa kutsara ko dyan.
Ayan lang yung sasakyan mo. Yan.
Maganda pa nga kutsara
Then
ko
we
dyan.
can come back here after.
Doon lang nakaparking yung sasakyan namin, no? Yun, no?
Ulit mo dati.
Salad, tsaka may tinapay. Let's eat. Ay, nako, malalasing tayo dito.
Sleep in a car.
Yeah.
This is a zip.
Ha? Sabi mo?
What?
It's just a sip. It's not a...
Ang dami niya.
I mean, it's not a bottle.
That's 50 sips.
Ooh,
Ah, so good.
so good.
Yung sa iyo din, Italian yan. Eh.
Of course, masarap yan. Kanina ko pa tinikman yan eh.
Uy,
Italian wine.
magigising. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
Naraw-araw mo
Hindi siya hindi siya talagang masarap.
Yeah, yun din red wine, yun din white.
Thank you,
Hindi siya
Kulili.
sweet.
Compliment by Kulili, ang wine at saka yung
Oo,
pagkain namin.
panay ang ano mo Nabudol mo si Pauline.
Nabudol. Alam mo, nabudol mo din eh.
Oh, right?
Thank you. Yeah.
Plate.
Yes.
Oh, perfect.
Thank you. Thank you. Wow. Ooh la la.
Ito na naman si Josie.
Perfect.
Wala, amigo.
Yeah, hola amigo.
Oh, dyan ang wine mo. Bigyan mo kami plato. Yan na yun ang plato.
And for you.
You get everything, see?
And for you.
Ganon din ginawa namin sa Thai. Kahapon naman Thai kami. Nag-order ako ng 1 meal sa kanya. Tapos appetizer platter yung akin. So we got a little bit of everything.
Dami nito, mauubos ba natin yan?
Yeah.
Oh
Lamb.
my goodness.
Lamb.
Papicture tayo nito. Ay na, papicture tayo.
It's still recording.
Laki oh.
And the lamb.
Upakan na yan, mami. Upakan na.
Ayun na.
This is yours.
Akin ta?
Yeah.
Okay. Ba't ang laki? Meron pa palang kanin. Nice. So nice.
Thank you.
Ngayon mo yung lamb mo titigas. Yep.
Yeah. Chop.
Bumili ako ng isang araw eh. Nagustuhan niya. Yung lamb chops. Sa Metro.
Bibitayin na tayo nito.
We all get one. That's your. Oh.
Yeah, that's
Akin
yours.
ba
That's
to?
for them.
Huge ba?
This is the whole body.
We're not even eating rice. Just the potato.
No. I'm already getting full. To make sure we're happy.
Parang weird ano. Like 5 people already come in and out asking if the food is good. Baka the food vlogger ka eh. Pinamay na.
Laki. Cheers. Wala.
Wala.
Pag grill talaga, masarap.
Just a char.
Yeah.
The charcoal. 3 serving of each, pero hindi man tayo matakaw. So, it's good for 5 people.
Tapos na kami kumain.
I still have it.
Sing kami.
We were lasing, so we have to take our time.
Yeah, now we have to walk.
Hindi namin naubos yung pagkain namin. Ang
We have to
dami.
find a nice coffee around.
Yeah.
Hilo-hilo.
Naubos
I'm
ang
actually
wine.
really tipsy right now.
I am. I finished my drink.
This is kind of crazy. I never drink and drive. So this is
No,
gonna
punta
be...
tayo sa cafe.
No, wag ka magdadrive. Maggala-gala muna
No,
tayo.
I can't drive.
We're gonna go cafe.
Me either. I can't drive. No.
I'm gonna extend my parking.
Yeah.
Mamaya na.
You have to walk.
Wala bang bags to?
Shit, man.
Wala.
Talagang nahihilo ko.
Me too. It's like really strong.
Nilasing yata tayo para
Parang they
magkape
put
tayo.
shots or something. They put shots in there.
Para akong lasing ang ingay
I
ko.
am so
Ang ingay ko.
Nahihilo talaga ako. Hindi ako pwede mag-drive.
Oh my god.
Pero nung araw, nung ako'y bata-bata, kahit ako'y lasing, nakakapag-drive ako.
Kahit naka-chivas. Nakaka-uwi.
Nakaka-uwi ako.
Naalala ko nung bata, nung
I'm so
sila,
scared.
yung mga sila ni Natito nila nung mabata pa kayo. Chivas, like that's
I
whiskey.
know. I remember that. Chiba. Smells so bad.
Smells so bad.
So strong.
Spain? Parang pundador.
Yeah, perfect.
We're all tipsy. We have to stay till 5. No, I'm joking.
Because you give me a
You're
lot
too
of
generous
wine.
with the wine.
And thank you for that.
You made this Father's Day thing.
Father's Day's going well so far?
Yes, sir.
Plans after?
Just go around.
Sober.
Did you get some sweets?
Before we drive.
Ah.
Why? Where do you guys have to go?
Oh, nowhere.
Oh, okay.
Nowhere,
okay.
nowhere.
All right, I'll be right back, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Ayan. Solve na kami. Lasing-lasing na. Ayan. Thank you sa pagkain. Iuwi mo yan?
No, you do it. This is your food.
Ayaw niya iuwi. Ako na lang mag-uwi. Lalakad-lakad muna kami. $30 ang tip. Nag-washroom yung mag-ina. Kabilis.
Uy, sandali.
Halika na. There you go. I told you.
Oh, it's gelato and those.
Kami muna ay
Yeah, baka dito na lang tayo.
Maglalakad-lakad, magpapawala ng lasing.
Pwede ba check muna natin?
alam nyo kasi dito mga bossing, bawal
Mag-finish
ang
na lang tayo.
zero tolerance dito sa Canada. Pag nahuli tayong lasing ay wala. Kumpiskado ang ating lisensya. Red daw sila. Ice cream. Bili silang ice cream.
Oh, what?
I forgot it.
Ah,
I forgot it.
Cappuccino.
thank you, sweetheart.
And this is a mini almond hazelnut biscotti. It comes for free with any hot drink, unfortunately. So
Perfect. Thank you.
enjoy if you're okay.
Thank you. Kape-kape muna tayo.
Ano na pala kailangan mag-cookies? May kasama ng cookies. Wala yung asukal. I like my sugar.
Binating itlog lang to eh.
Binating itlog, gatas niya pinak-bubble up.
I believed him.
Oh my God!
Ah, gatas pala, gatas.
How could I put A on your coffee? Like peanut butter, then it's pistachio butter.
So it tastes like they're
Yeah.
Alabas na kami. Katatapos lang magkape at saka mag-ice cream.
Saan ka sa Small Street?
No, just down here.
Wala kaming
Are you
ticket.
guys going home?
Yeah.
Yeah, uwi na kami.
Hi, Dad. Love you. Happy Mother's Day. Okay. Drive
Be safe.
Okay,
Take care.
bye.
Yeah, my bike, my bike.
Uwi na siya. Magdadrive siya ng kanya. Oy, nako, ang init! Guys, ayan.
Ay, init. Did it close?
Yeah, close it. Okay, let's go.